climate change and conservation are at the top of many kids' agendas these days.
How can we use technology to track animals?
At camp, students will learn how tech is being used to help conservation efforts and begin to understand how they could be part of solving the problems. Animal tracking, tagging, and camera traps are all helpful tools in conservation that are tech-enabled and helping to save tigers, turtles, snow leopards, and rhinos. These tools also help in making the amazing documentaries that give us an insight into the wonders of our planet. Cypher students learn the logic behind code that builds their ability to think, plan, and exercise their intellectual and creative muscles. We'd love to meet your child at our Animal Planet camp this Easter.